What's going on, guys? We got some bad news. So this happened. I actually haven't shown you guys this car yet, but it's now it's fucked. That was an Eclipse. Fuck, dude. Ripperino. Oh, dude. That's bad, dude. Hey, I said 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
I was going down already, but she's not very fast.
Yeah?
Yeah, she does have YouTube.
Yeah. Fuck, dude. Hey, you know, at this angle, your car looks fine.
Yeah. Hey, can you take pictures of that?
Damn, dude. Dude, damn. I already popped the hood, dude. Can you?
Well, how does it go again? Like, pull it down?
It's your car, dude. I don't know.
No, but like at this.
It's okay, dude. We could see from here. Jesus Christ.
It felt like this.
Oh my God.
Smaller guy?
It's honestly not that bad. I could do it, but I can't drive it in. I could just be in there for a little bit.
Oh shit, dude.
Fix it up
Breaking
right
out
now.
the big tools, dude. Look at you. It's gonna look like brand new in a couple hours, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
God. Dude. I mean, like, everything, like, looks fine. Like, on this side, everything's, like, okay. But it kind of looks like... On here, well, your fender's fucked. It's gone.
Yeah.
Your filter, dude, your filter is so fucked.
I was gonna replace that anyway.
Your fans are fucked.
Huh?
Your fans are
Oh,
fucked.
definitely. Definitely.
Dude.
And
Jesus.
once I was getting full boost, I was gonna come over here and show that we could see the wastegates opening.
Well, I mean, if you take the turbo off, we could still see if the wastegate's open. Now we could check, dude. Now we can see if the turbo's good.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Where's the shift linkage at?
That's gonna be over on this side where the transmission is. So yeah, his Eclipse is fucked, essentially. It's beyond repair. We're gonna be parting it out. I'm gonna have in the description the link for the offer up ad showing all the parts on it. Most of the car is still good, actually. I'll go over it in a second, but in the description we'll have the ad for the offer up, and you'll be able to ship it to you if you're not local. And also the ad to GoFundMe if you want to help out that way. Any help is appreciated. I didn't even have the car for that long. I didn't even show you guys the car yet. We only got little things done to it. We were gonna do a full-on like owner's perspective, like how I did with the 3000 GT and the MR2, which are actually both his cars that he doesn't have anymore. And yeah, that's unfortunate. In California, when you rear end someone, it's your fault no matter what the circumstance is. So that happened. Essentially, he got cut off, they crashed into someone, and he didn't have enough time to brake, so he crashed into them. Okay, so here she is in the daylight. The motor is actually still good. I'll take the hood off in a second, but the bumper's fucked, the intercooler's fucked, the radiator's fucked, the passenger headlight is fucked. Obviously the driver headlight is kind of fucked up too. It's probably not any good. The wheels and tires are good all around. Those will be for sale. The whole interior is still good. He's got a full interior. Everything in here is good. Everything in here is going to be for sale. The hatch is good. It's actually in really good condition. The wing is good. The taillights are good. If you need these lights, they're good. His exhaust is good. He's got a catback exhaust with a test pipe, so essentially full aftermarket from the downpipe back. What else? If you need a mirror, that's good. I think both mirrors are good. But yeah, this is real unfortunate. It's really bad. It's beyond repair because of this side here. It like crumpled in the area of the engine bay, so it's just beyond repair. You'd have to do like a tube front end, and that's not really in the budget. Alright, so here's the motor. Everything looks pretty good. We'll have to take the radiator out somehow. Probably gonna have to cut with the grinder. Have to cut it here and cut it there, so we can pull that out to look at the turbo. But hopefully the turbo's good still. Oh, the radiator hose is fucked. The filter got fucked. The MAF is just fucking destroyed. But he was having issues with the MAF anyways. The strut brace will be on there. Yeah, the whole engine's good. As far as the trans, we're not too sure. We won't know until we take the engine out. But yeah, whatever parts you need, definitely go to the links below. Check out the pages, see if there's anything on there that you need. And we'll ship it to you if you're not local. If you need a crackless 97 Eclipse, I think this is considered a 2G second gen Eclipse. If you need a crackless second gen Eclipse dash, this one's got it. Yeah, you need door panels. His door panels are good. Any interior piece, this has a pretty clean interior. If you need headliner, his headliner's in pretty good condition too. So yeah, that's basically it. That was his Eclipse. That's what it looks like now in the daylight. That's it's a mess in the front. So essentially from the motor back, everything is fine. So if you need anything in your Eclipse, any stock parts, if you need like a strut brace, anything like that, definitely link in the description. Go pick it up. Anything is appreciated. So yeah, I know how awesome the car community is when stuff like this happens. So if you guys need any parts, or if you want to help, links will be in the description. I know I keep saying that, but I just want to emphasize that if you can help, if you're thinking about helping or you want to help, you can. Links in the description. That'll be the last time I say it. If you can't help, we totally understand. But if you can help, we would really appreciate it. So I'm gonna end it here, guys. Sorry, this is like a sad video, but it's unfortunate what happened. But leave a like if you did. Comment down below. Share this with your friends. Next time, we'll have something good. Be working on the 240. More positive stuff. And then hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Peace.